try to tell myself that it's really over, that it's just too late for me to go back there. I need to walk away, need to keep my pride on with my life. I'm getting sick and tired of the situation, but something deep inside just can't seem to face it. I'm not going back, but somehow I can't say goodbye. Someone needs to tell my heart, get it to believe that it's over. Tried 1,000 times, I'm still here. I keep trying to walk away, but I only seem to end up nowhere. I made up my mind, that's the easy part. Someone tell my heart. We went through the trials and the tribulations till I finally got tired of all the waiting.